Jai Swaminarayan friends. In a chapter number 1, we have discussed about the topic function. Almost completed. Now we discuss the topic relation. Starting the chapter relation, exercise 1.1 up to exercise 1.1. It is called relation. In this video lecture, discuss about this topic, right? Okay. Here, first we write Cartesian product, n cross n. You can write also z cross z, q cross q, r cross r, anyone. But compulsory we have Cartesian product, that is order pair. Here we write n cross n 1 1 1 2 5 4 7 8 4 11 5 11 dash 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 etc. Million set, million order pairs. Right? Now we give some examples. Here we write in board. Give some example. We have discussed about it. First one. R equal to. Now what is the meaning of R and S? Here. Our topic is relation. In our textbook, symbol of relation is R. And other reference textbook, symbol we use the S for relation. So you can use the any one symbol R or S. Now this is our universal set. N cross N is our universal set. Now we select the subset anyone. Look here. First give an example. R equal to set of x, y such that y equal to 2x where x and y both are belongs to n. Here x and y natural number. Now select here brackets in n cross n. But condition is what? Y equal to 2x. We write the question another form. X, here y equal to 2x, right? Where xy belongs to n. Clear? Okay. What's the meaning of this one? First element and second element. What is the relation of these two? Here, second element is the doublet of first element. Second element is twice the first element. Now select here bracket. 1 1 is not possible. 1 2 is possible. Right? 2 4 is also possible. 5 10 is also possible. Clear? 100 and 200 also possible. Is that clear? 4 8 also possible. Right? Clear? Dash dash dash. Here relation R equal to order pair x 2x. That means second element is the twice the first element. Right? So here R equal to this one is the subset of n cross n. So relation is always subset of n cross n, universal set. Clear? Okay. Another example. S equal to set of xy such that modulus x minus y is even number. Subtraction of these two numbers, x and y, is even, where x and y both are natural number. Now select order pair in n cross n. But condition is this one. 1 1 is not possible. Why? Because 1 minus 1 0. 0 does not belong to n. Right? Our condition is even positive natural number. Otherwise even natural number. We write here. Even natural number, right? Okay. Now select bracket. Suppose 1, 3. 1 minus 3. Here put your x equal to 1, y equal to 3. 1 minus 3, 2. 2 is even natural number. So here 3, 1 also possible because 3 minus 1, 2. If we take here 5, 11. 5 minus 11, 6. So 11, 5 also possible. Is that clear? Our subtraction of these two number is even natural number. Suppose dash 100 and 200 and also 200 and 100 also. Right? 100 minus 200, 100. Because here modulus given. So here natural number. Even natural number. Is it clear? Okay. So this one is, all the brackets are the subset of this one, n cross n. So here also always relation are always in the subset of universal set. So here we write also S is a subset of n cross n. Is that clear? Okay. Another example. S equal to set of xy such that x plus y equal to 0, where x and y belongs to natural number. Sum of these two number is 0, but x and y belongs to natural number. So sum natural number, that is positive, and sum of two positive number is never can be 0. So here sum of these two number never 0. So no one element we can write here. Clear? So here only null set. No one element brackets is there we write here. Because x plus y equal to 0 not possible, because x and y both are natural number. So here S equal to empty set. Here it is called empty relation. Which one? Empty relation. Clear? Okay. Next example. R equal to set of xy such that x less than or equal to y or y less than or equal to x, where xy belongs to natural number. What's the meaning of this condition? Here x less than or equal to y, that means x equal to y or x equal to y. X equal to y or x less than y. Okay? Then y less than or equal to x, y equal to x or y less than x. Right? This the x equal to y here, and here x less than y, and here y less than x. Now compare any two number. Compare any two number in a relation, any one relation of the possible. Right? Suppose compare two number 3 and 4. So 3 is the smaller than 4, you can write also. Another student you can write 4 is greater than 3. And another student 3 and 3 compare. So 3 equal to 3. That means any two number, any one relation is possible. Right? So here our condition is x equal to y, x less than y, x equal to y, that is first number and second number are equal. So we can select here bracket first and second number are equal, that is 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, all the bracket same element, all are satisfy the condition x equal to y, y equal to x, right? Okay. Second condition x less than y, that means 1 2 7 8, first element is smaller than second, that means all the bracket are included, whichever first element are smaller than second, that means 1 2 7 8 etc. 5 11 also. Okay. Then third condition is y less than x. Y less than x, that is second element is smaller than first element. Second element is here, smaller than first element. That means 5 4 also possible, right? Another bracket also, suppose 8 7 also possible. Anyone? That means all the brackets are included here. All the brackets. 1 1 2 2 3 3 also possible. 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 etc. also possible, because first element is smaller than second, and third condition is second element is smaller than first element. That means 11 2 also possible, 11 10 also possible, 180 possible. Anyone? That is, all the brackets are n cross n. So here we write n cross n. Answer. So it is called universal relation because completely n cross n is available here. Right? So here n cross n is the universal relation for this sum. Is that clear? So first sum is this relation x to x. So second element is the double of the first element. Second sum, here subtraction of these two number is even natural number. So even natural number is 1 3 possible, 3 1 is also possible, same element is not possible. Here sum of these two number is 0, but it is not possible for the natural number. So it is called empty relation, and here is the relation is the universal relation. Right? We explain this example. Now we explain some properties. Some properties. Suppose give an example. First one property. First property, it is called reflexivity. What? Reflexivity. What's the meaning of reflexivity? Reflexivity, that means A equal to A. Both elements are same. B equal to B. That is this one. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4. Both in a order pair. Both elements are equal. It is called reflexivity. You have already studied in lower standard, but teacher do not discuss this property. Right? So reflexivity, that means both the elements are same. Here in a relation or in this question, 1 1 is not possible, 2 2 is not possible. So here in this sum, reflexivity property not satisfy in this question. Right? Okay, here also 1 1 2 2 3 3 not possible. So here also reflexivity is not possible. In this question, it is called universal relation. Here x equal to y, or you can write also y equal to x. That means 1 1 2 2 3 3 also possible. So here in this question, reflexivity property satisfied. Clear? Okay. Now second one. Total we have total 3 properties. First one reflexive, and second one symmetric property. Which one? Symmetric property. Symmetric property, that is, you can write x equal to y, also y equal to x. X equal to y or y equal to x, both are same. That means here 1 is the relation of 2, 2 is the relation of 4, 5 is the relation of 10. Here 1 2 is possible, but converse of this bracket 2 1 is not possible in this question. Why? Because our condition is second element is twice the first element, so 2 1 is not satisfy this one. So here in this question 1 2 is possible, but 2 1 is not possible. That means our symbol symmetric property or relation 1 relation 2. That is 1 2 is possible. But 2 relation 1 is not possible. Another 2 4 is possible because 4 is the twice the first number 2. But 4 2 is not possible. Right? So here 2 relation 4 possible, but 4 relation 2 is not possible. So in this question, first one reflexivity is not possible. Second one symmetric is also not possible. In this question, now discuss. Here 1 3 is possible. Look here. 3 1 is also possible because our subtraction is even natural number. Modulus is given. So 1 3 or 3 1. Answer is 2 because modulus. So in this question 1 3, if 1 3 possible, 3 1 is also possible. If 5 11 possible, 11 5 possible. If 100 and 200 possible, 200 and 100 possible. So second number property symmetric is satisfied in this question. Right? This question is also already completed. And this one, here x less than y, that is 1 2. 1 2 is possible. X is less than y. X is less than y. And here y less than x. So 2 1 is also possible. Here 1 2 is possible. So 2 1 is also possible. Another 7 8, x is less than y. 7 8 possible. So y is smaller than x. Right? So x is smaller than y and y is smaller than x. 7 8 possible. So 8 7 also possible. Right? So in this question, reflexive also possible. In this question, symmetric also possible. Right? This is your symbol of the relation. 1 is the relation of 2. 2 is the relation of 1. Clear? Okay. Now we discuss third property. Second property in symbolic representation, symmetric A relation B or B relation A. A or B is possible if B or A also possible. It is called symmetric property, right? Okay. Now third one. It is called transitivity. Which one? Transitivity. Transitivity, that is, given an example, suppose you can write also x equal to 4 and y equal to 4. So you can write also x equal to y. X equal to 4 and y equal to 4. So you can write x equal to y also. Right? That means A is the relation of B. A is the relation of B. And B is the relation of C. So A relation B and B relation C. So you can write A relation C. Common element cancel. Here also x is the relation of 4, y is the relation of 4. Common element cancel. So x relation y. Right? Now explaining this three sum. Look here. Here 1 is the relation of 2. 2 is the relation of 4. Common element is 1. 2. Cancel. So 1 is the relation of 4. Here look, check here. 1 4 is possible. 1 4 is not possible. Why? Because our condition is second element is twice the first element. So 1 4. So 4 is the fourth time of first element. So it's not possible. Right? So here transitivity property is not possible. Again check here. Look here. Second one. Suppose 10, 20 and 20, 40. Here 20 is the twice of the 10. 40 is the twice of the 20. So 10, A relation B, B relation C. So common element cancel and A relation C. This one is not possible in this question. 10 40 is not possible in this curly bracket. Why? Because not satisfy this one. X 2x. Because our condition is most important. Second element is the twice the first element. So 10 40 is not satisfied. Right? So here transitivity is not satisfied. Right? Second question. Second question. 1 3, A relation B, B relation C. Here this is your A, B, C. 1 3 3 1. So A relation B, B relation C. So A relation C, that is 1 relation 1. Here 1 1 is not possible, because same elements of the subtraction is not even natural number, right? So 1 1 is not possible. So here also not satisfy the transitivity. Another example in this question. 1 3, suppose relation here 1 3, right? And here 3 47, suppose 3 47. 47 minus 3, 44. Yeah, 44 is even number. Okay. So now A relation B, B relation C, but here and here relation 147 is also possible. 147 bracket is also possible in this curly bracket, because subtraction of these two numbers is 46, right? Okay, but if sentence is true when in every condition, each and every condition sentence is true. Here 1 3 possible, 3 1 possible, but 1 1 is not possible. In this condition, this one 1 1 is not possible. The statement is not satisfy the transitivity property, right? So here first question is not satisfy the reflexive, symmetric and transitivity. Second question is not satisfy the reflexive but satisfy the symmetric but not satisfy the transitivity. Now in third example, relation are equal to set of xy such that x less than y. Here reflection is possible because 1 1, 2 2 also possible. Symmetric also possible because 1 2 possible, 2 1 is also possible. And third property, transitivity. Here 1 2 is possible, 1 2 is possible, 2 1 is also possible. So common element cancel, 1 1 is also possible. Yeah. Another one, suppose 4 11 possible. So second change the bracket. 11 15 possible, 4 11 possible, 11 because all are natural number. 4 11 possible, 11 15 possible. So 4 15 is also possible here, right? Because our n cross n. Write you any positive natural number in your bracket. So here 4 11, 4 relation 11, 11 relation 15. So here common element cancel, 4 relation 15, right? So here this is your universal relation. Universal relation are always satisfy the reflection, symmetric and transitivity, right? Now if any relation satisfy the three properties, reflection, symmetric and transitivity. If any relation satisfy the three properties, then it is called equivalent relation. Which one? Equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. If any relation does not satisfy any one property, so you cannot write equivalence relation. So equivalence, if equivalent any relation is equivalent relation, then satisfy the compulsory three property. Is that clear? So in this topic, relation we discuss, give some we give example and some properties. Reflexive, symmetric, transitivity, and then one equivalence relation. Is that clear? Okay.